I talked to a diesel mechanic who's been working exclusively on Cummins engines for 29 years. He's rebuilt thousands of them. And he told me something incredible. There are 3 specific Ram Cummins years that I almost never have to rebuild. They just run forever. Owners put 500,000, 600,000 miles. Original engine. Subscribe now because you'll want to remember these 3 years if you ever buy a Cummins Ram. Today, you're discovering which ones. If you have one, you hit the jackpot. 29 years working exclusively on Cummins diesels. He knows every weakness, every strong point, every year. These 3 years, they simply never die. Absolute legends in the diesel world. First legendary year, 2006 with 5.9-liter Cummins. The mechanic was passionate. 2006 5.9? That's the holy grail. Last year before emissions complexity. That engine is virtually indestructible. Why is 2006 special? It's the final year of the legendary 5.9 before EPA regulations changed everything. No DPF filter, no DEF fluid, no EGR complications. Just pure, simple, bulletproof diesel. Owner's report? 500,000 miles, 600,000 miles, 700,000 miles. Original engine. Never opened, just oil changes and fuel filters. One owner told me, my 2006 has 630,000 miles. I haul heavy equipment weekly. Never had engine trouble. This is the best diesel ever made. If you find a 2006 5.9 in good condition, buy it immediately. They're becoming collector's items. Second legendary year, 2003 to 2004 5.9. The mechanic smiled. 2003-2004 5.9, peak simplicity. No variable geometry turbo yet, no electronics headaches, just mechanical perfection. These years represent Cummins at its most reliable. The common rail injection was mature. The turbo was simple, fixed geometry. Everything was proven, tested, bulletproof. Diesel specialists say 2003 and 4 are the years we recommend to anyone who wants a diesel that'll outlast them. Owner's report? 400,000 miles, 500,000 miles. Minimal maintenance. Just keep clean fuel, change oil regularly, and they run forever. My 2004 has 480,000 miles. Original turbo, original injectors. I've never touched the engine internals. It's incredible. Like this video if you're learning which Cummins years are truly legendary. This helps more diesel owners. Third legendary year, 1998 to 2002 with 5.9 24 valve. The mechanic got excited. Late 90s, early 2000s 24 valve? Absolute tanks. I see these with over 1 million miles. Not exaggerating, over 1 million. These early second-gen Cummins are legendary for one reason. Ultimate simplicity. Mechanical everything. No computers controlling critical systems. You can fix them with basic tools. The 24 valve brought more power than the 12 valve but kept the reliability. Perfect combination. Owners treasure these. My 2000 Ram has 850,000 miles. I bought it with 200,000, added 650,000 more. Never rebuilt the engine, just maintenance. Want a diesel that your grandkids will inherit? Late 90s, early 2000s 24 valve. Immortal. These are the 3 legendary Cummins years. 2006 5.9, 2003 to 4 5.9, and 1998 to 2002 24 valve. 29 years of diesel-specific experience confirms these engines don't die. They outlast the trucks they're in. Owners transplant them into newer trucks when the body rusts out. If you have one of these 3, you own diesel royalty. Maintain it properly. It'll run 500,000 miles, then another 500,000. Looking for a Cummins Ram? These 3 periods should be your only consideration. Everything else is second choice. Diesel mechanics buy these years for themselves. That's the ultimate endorsement. One mechanic told me, I have a 2006 5.9 with 520,000 miles. I rebuild diesels daily. I know exactly what fails, what lasts. This engine will outlive me. Which legendary year do you have? How many miles? What's your highest mileage story? Comment below. Subscribe to My Ram's Garage for weekly honest analysis about which Ram Cummins truly last forever. Next video, maintenance secrets that make Cummins owners keep their trucks for decades. Don't miss it. Hit like if this helped you identify legendary Cummins years. See you next time.